Hey there, I'm Isabell, and today we're going to be working on the suspension and a few other things. Alright, let's measure and see what we got. 22 inches. And the other one is 22 and 3/8. So now we have to bring up the other side of the car 3/8 of an inch to make it level.
Alright, so just as we're trying to put this back together, put it back on the ground to verify that the ride height is now even, we're putting the wheels on, and what I've noticed is there's no hub-centric rings. So this whole wheel is actually just held together by 4 bolts and a prayer.
Alright, so we're at 22 and 5/8, so we're a quarter too high.
Alright, so while Isabell is going to lift up the car and bring it down to the correct height, it's just a little bit. She can do it herself. Let me show you what we've done in the meanwhile. Let's go. So we got little things done, like we've put in new bolts here. We've inserted the center console. We're still waiting for the armrest. We have ordered a radio because why not? This is not working because the cable is probably disconnected. We have made a bracket so it can hold the filter and it doesn't have to be zip tied anymore, so we can actually cut this off. We have installed bolts. Yes, they're the wrong length, but it's still secured into it. We have fixed the pop-up headlights and the high beams. So the next thing we're going to do is get some hub-centric rings because it is a safety issue. We're going to try to figure out how to fix the pop-up headlights so they can retract again. They pop up, but they don't retract. So hopefully, with a little bit of luck, we just can fix the air so it blows out through the top vents, because we're in Florida and it is 98 degrees right now. So even though we're in a convertible, there's just hot air all around us. And then maybe with some luck, in the next couple of weeks, we'll find somebody who's going to inspect our AC system, see if it's actually sealed and all the components are there, so we can get AC working. It doesn't have a heater core. It's been bypassed. We could put it in, but I don't know if we have to. I mean, the coldest it gets in Florida is, you know, maybe in the 50s or so, and then you put on a light jacket and you're okay. Plus, the transmission tunnel generates so much heat from the transmission and the engine that that's a heater on its own. We're trying to fix it to eliminate the heat a little bit. But for a project car, this came a long way in the 6 weeks that we owned it, and it's definitely drivable. And after we get the few little issues resolved that we have here today, we can do some performance driving and get Isabell started with a little bit hard acceleration, hard braking, and let's see where it takes us. So we went to Discount Tire and we got us a set of these for $5. Now these are plastic probably, but that's all we need to keep the wheel in there and centered. That will also reduce some of the vibration, so let's get it on. These are the little hubs that go here. So on hub-centric spacers, you would have a spacer that's the same ring diameter outwards, so it fits into the wheel. So this is going to also fit perfectly in here. So we're going to put this on all 4 wheels, and that's a great safety upgrade that we just did on this car. Let's pop it on.
And since we're getting run off the road every time we drive and the finger doesn't work anymore, it's time for a horn.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Because there's a lack of entertainment, we're going to install the radio. First, we got the cheapest Bluetooth radio that we could find available. We got adapters and a dash kit. Now we just have to figure out what configuration is going to go in here. Alright, it's time to go drive.
Ready?
Wait, I want to straighten myself.
Yep. 3,000 RPM, and then just aggressively let the clutch go and get going. And the moment you let the clutch go, you slam that gas, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Let's try it. And go, 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 go. Nope, stop. That wasn't enough. Give it more revs. Give it 3,000 RPM. Go. To find the balance between where it starts to lock up.
Yeah.
So that's your maximum braking point.
So when does it start to lock up?
When you're putting too much pressure on the brakes.
Okay.
And it's different with every car, with different tires, and with your brake setup. Eventually the brakes are going to start getting so hot that you have to actually push harder. But once you're on a track, you'll be able to feel where it locks up, and you can just ease off a little bit. But we'll figure that out down the road.
Okay.
All right, let's go back.
So should I be braking harder at first and then letting?
No, that was good. That was good. All right. More. And brake. Let it go. Once you start locking up, you gotta let go of the brake. Okay? Smell the tires? Let's do it again.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it. Brake. No, off. There you go. You got to regain the traction. Much better, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You're gonna turn the wheel all the way.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta give it a fast start like you just did now. But the moment your car spins around, you get off the gas and hit the brakes. So we're gonna make a car slide just a tiny bit, all right? All right.
This way?
Yep, to the left.
All right.
All right, ready? First gear, turn the steering wheel in.
Just make sure.
All right, temperature is okay. All right, turn the steering wheel in.
And then?
No, what was that?
Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Let's do another turn.
Okay.
Harder on the gas. You're gonna have to make a butt slide out.
Right when I start?
Yeah, well, right when you start. It's the easiest way on the car with little horsepower.
Can I do it right now, or do you want me to turn around first?
No, right now. Let's do it. You gotta turn the steering wheel. Turn. Gas. No, stop. It wasn't enough gas. You gotta give it a little bit more. All right.
Do you want me to?
No, we're fine from right where we're at.
Okay.
Right? give it more gas on the start. Don't let it more gas, and then you're gonna pop the clutch, and the car will just take a spin. Go. Nope, stop. Nope, that's not working.
Okay. What am I doing wrong?
You got brake traction on your rear wheels, which means a lot more gas, and instead of going like at the traffic light where you're going easy, you let the clutch pop, and your wheels start spinning. All right, ready? One more time. Gas. More, and pop the clutch. Nope. Brake.
Okay, that felt different though.
Yeah, it sure did.
See what...
All right, let's go a little bit over there. Let's find a spot where there's not a lot of traction. That's a good angle, and go for it. All right, here we go.
That was fun. Did I do it?
Yep, you sure did it.
Hey, you want to go?
All right, let's get going. It's too hot.
This was so much fun, and I can't wait to get on a real racetrack. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.